the Great Pride. Wow.
Milou publiek.
Hatari! You got a car! It was so peaceful event. What's up, this is Pavel Adventurer, welcome back to a new video. So today we have a trip to Reykjavik and we came to see like a closing ceremony of the Great Pride. It's a quite big thing here in Iceland. Also we're gonna drone a bit, so watch this video. It's gonna be lots of things I guess happening. So this is it, yes Peter?
Yes.
Let's go, let's do it. Go yo!
Go go! Let's go! Yo yo!
This guy is weird, look at him. Shit.
Go to Reykjavik?
Traveling Iceland or just working or?
Now traveling,
okay.
but we're searching some new job.
Yeah, okay. Where are you from?
From Czechland.
Oh, okay. I'm fixing my house now and I have to go to Reykjavik to buy things, so...
Yeah, okay. We go for the Great Pride.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
No problem. Here in Iceland, you know, some old people, you know, older generation, you know, maybe are against, but very few, I think.
Hey guys, this is it. Here we are in Reykjavik. We just got like third car and we're already here in 1 hour. This is the most famous church here in Reykjavik. We are just on the top. I will check how many meters it has, but it's really nice view all over Reykjavik. I really love. I've been loving like towers and the mountains, you know, just to always climb it up and check out the places, you know, from the bird's perspective. Yeah, it's amazing here. Okay guys, we got a little fuck up here. I was about to take off with my drone. Take off. But we are in restricted area, so no fly zone.
I believe I can fly.
As you can see here, cannot take off. We're gonna try a little bit outside of the zone and we see if we can put this guy up or not, yeah? This is it.
It's free?
For free? Okay. For orange jacket, yeah?
Hello.
The same color, the same dress.
Yes.
It's Oranjana. You are from Netherlands?
No.
No, me too, no.
I do love the Netherlands.
Okay.
Okay, you need to make selfie, yes? Peter, take selfie.
It's present from universe, I believe this.
Come on, Peter, take selfie with girls. Come on, come on.
Okay.
You orange people. No, in the middle, come on. Peter, in the middle. Yes, sure. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Okay, cool. That's it.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
And what is it? Is it Fanta or what is it?
Sorry. It's sugar.
It's local.
It's Icelandic?
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome. Cool. Which can I can take, yeah?
Yeah,
No,
Cheers.
we're not from Orange. Okay, bye bye.
Tack för er, ciao.
Ja, maar we hadden een perlimon. Without gas. Oh shit. I can taste. Miljoen publiek.
Peter, do it. Wow, awesome.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
sem ég bara og banna þá lífið að finna mig og finna að segja ég eins og ég
check it out, it's awesome. I love it, wow. Woo.
Mě bolí nohy jak ty, vole. Jsem stál úplně na takové lavice, abych byl co nejvíc, no. A stejně jak to bylo proti sluníčku, tak uvidím, co z toho bude. Vůbec jsem neviděl, co natáčím pomalu. Ale dobrá show, jako si myslím. Asi jich tu není tolik, podle mě to bude kompárs něco, ale bylo to dobrá show. Když bude nějaký koncert možná, tak ještě zatrsáme. Zajdeme na disku s nima ještě. Musíme si pořídit duhové barvy, no, je to pamde. Ty už zapadáš trošku, jsi tam mohl na ten kamion postavit hned a rozjet si tam svoji show zase, ty vole.
Okay guys, so as you have seen, there was almost 40 different vehicles and groups, and it was colorful, and it was just awesome, you know, amazing. This is really a special way I think they celebrated here in Iceland.
Turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Thank you so much, and that stands for the gay community. We will survive and we will persevere. Thank you so much. I'm so proud to be here in Reykjavik today. Love you all.
Hey, turn on my Eurovision this year. And I'm, of course, talking about the award-winning, anti-capitalist, techno performance, BDSM band, Hatari!
Hatari og hatrið mun aldrei sigra ykkur.
Okay guys, something incredible happened. It was totally late because we got stuck in Reykjavik. Got really late and we're just going to get a car. We are outside of Reykjavik and it's so fucking windy, check it out. Oh my god. That is crazy guys. This is raw Iceland. Wow. And we actually were able to hitchhike a car at total night and super crazy wind, you know. Hey guys, we got a car!
Okay.
And we made it back home to Boganes. Amazing stuff, you know, so I was not really hoping we'll made it. But we did it actually awesome. So this was such an eventful day, you know, the gay pride, and eventually we even had experienced one of the most recent celebrities in Iceland, the musical band Hatari, that was actually representing Iceland this year on the Eurovision Song Contest in Israel. So this is it, you know, amazing stuff, you know, I'm so happy I experienced my first gay pride right here in Iceland. I am so happy about the way the Icelandic society is so open, you know, and they just try to make everything equal, you know, and they try to treat everybody in the equal way. I totally love this experience, totally love these people, you know. This gay pride thing, you know, it was like a family event, you know, the families and the kids and everybody really enjoyed it, you know. It was so peaceful event, yeah, I loved it so much. Thank you so much for watching my video and till next time, love you.